Good afternoon and welcome back to Affordable Partsworld, where we've just had this 2001 AU XR8 turn up. This one's a Series 2 model, and being an XR8 it's got the 5 litre hand-built 220 kilowatt engine. Now this one is an automatic model, and as you can see it's had a pretty bad smash up the front and around the left hand side there, which you'll see in a moment. Airbags have gone off in this. It's got some wear to some of the seat belts and such. But other than that, the interior is in pretty good shape. This one's done about 295,000, I believe. And unfortunately we didn't get the key with it, so we can't test a whole lot here. But when that engine gets removed, we'll be able to do some checks on that. Let's pop up the boot here. Nice rust-free boot lid. Drilled for the XR8 spoiler, which someone could put back on, I'm sure. There's that damage on the left hand side there. Quite a cool car, shame it's gone the way it has. But if you're needing any parts for your Ford AU, or if you've got Holden, Bentley or Porsche, get in touch with us at Affordable Parts World, 61 Keeling Road in Henderson.